Oh my gosh, I made it into the Forbidden Palace, and the lady at the hostel said that she didn't think I was gonna make it, and she said it was closed. But again, like, that's like the 30th person to doubt me on this trip. Do not ever doubt yourself. All right, know yourself and you will be able to live a good life. Let's go ahead and get inside the palace. Excuse us. Let's get through all these people. Ooh, the Forbidden Palace, finally. Forbidden City. Again, on a really hot, it's a really hot summer in Beijing, but it's so pretty. So cool. Yuck, tourists. They're just like me. Huh. So hot. So hot right now.